Oh my god! You don't have that protected.
What did you do?
That's protected. I bashed him. I didn't
Why
know
the fuck would you bash
have
him?
that?
Okay, that's not good. We're gonna be limited,
Hey
but
Siri,
oh my fucking god.
age of consent in California.
Oh my fucking god.
Shoot the area. Take the shot. Take the
Behind us, behind us. I got him.
X-ray.
Hold up. We gotta wait for our dude.
Citizen notice. Failure to cooperate will result
Think that's funny, huh?
in permanent all-world relocation.
Mashallah! What? Mashallah! Mashallah!
Biosignal next response code down at 104 UBI.
Gotta help him.
Murr, hey Murr.
Yes.
I railed you from behind with that SMG.
Thank you,
railed
cunt. Oh my god, you're fucking retarded, dude. Look at you.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god, Jesus Christ.
Recalibrate.
You're being kind of anti-civil. You're being kind of
that shit right now. Yoink that shit right now.
Holy
Yoink that shit
shit.
right now. Okay.
Have you seen anybody in the apartment block with any weapons? Maybe a stun stick?
I saw some in their pants, and I think it was their long johns. Hold on.
We have to be dragged.
Are they out there?
Don't.
Yeah, they're
Yes or
out there.
no?
They're
Are they-
coming. Look, they're out there.
Well, they got rocket? What?
Grenade.
Wait, is that a rocket launcher?
Oh, come down.
Wait, above us! Guys, look above us!
Oh.
Holy shit!
Kill him! Yeah!
Another
one coming through.
Hold the holy line.
Down! Yeah!
The goddamn
There's
door!
one.
Oh.
Undercover down! Watch out for shrapnel, okay.
Pick up the shit. Pick up the shit.
Go, go, go.
Pick up the shit.
Go through, go through!
Go!
Fuck, go, come on.
In the canals. Yes, I don't have any
Okay.
anymore.
Okay, start building defenses.
See
For you
white
guys.
men coming down the tunnel.
I am
see
going
white
to
men.
tell you where my friends are. They are
They're coming!
Vortigons.
They're coming,
You're going
guys!
to find them in the abandoned rebel base.
Don't waste ammo.
No, wait till they get
First
close.
fire,
Wait till they
first
get
fire.
close.
Ow! Where's our medic? I kinda got shot in the face.
Get ready, rock and roll,
Dead
boys.
though. He's dead.
Oh no!
I've got the
I
AR2.
see one
Don't worry.
target.
Multiple OS on both
Train
sides.
needs to come now!
Okay, we got...
Okay.
Do not let them
Target the
close!
special forces once he gets
Get
close.
ready.
More like special needs, motherfucker. I'm gonna maybe
This
use my
is
shotgun
terrible
if he gets
recoil.
close.
It's not good for long
Oh, he's
range.
coming.
Okay, he's getting close. I will fuck him up.
Oh, I'm almost dead.
Hey, oh, he's dead. One of them's dead.
Good shit! One more!
It's elite.
Got this!
Ow!
Here's a mech guy. Drop a mech guy on the floor.
Oh, go, run! Oh, I don't think we're gonna make it.
You're gonna make it. Just put away your weapon. Just put away your weapon. You can...
No! Fuck! Oh. Oh, shit! Come on! Come on, man! Shoot them! Oh no, you little fuck.
Oh shit.
Ah, he's a rogue! Oh, he's dead.
Rocking stone to the bone.